Welcome aboard the Halcyon, the Star Wars Galactic Starcruiser. We are in a standard cabin. We're actually staying in the one-bedroom thing this time, but a friend of ours was nice enough to let us come tour their cabin while they're in the chaos of the store on opening day. So anyway, let's begin our tour. Standard cabin. Is it really that small? We're going to find out. So, look at this. I assume these are the door lock, and then you can ask for housekeeping, right? So this is the lock. Or do not disturb, I guess, or if you want housekeeping, you click this little droid here. Look at him. He's very cute. So I guess do not disturb and housekeeping. That's my guess, unless that does lock. I think your door's locked anyway. This is the fun of this when you do something in theme is did they communicate things correctly or are they confusing? So we do have some light switches here, and not very Star Wars, but whatever. Main, and then this I assume is just the hallway light. Yep, that main will turn off everything in the room here. Nice panel here by the door. There is a vanity out here. Looks like they had some leftover press gifts. Oh boy. They have a Halcyon Legacy comic press edition. And then there are some outlets here. We got a switch for the mirror. I love that they have these Star Wars looking light panels on the side. That's great. This bottle is available for use while on board and may be refilled in the atrium. Cool. You got these cool metal cups that are labeled from a company. Guys, you can do custom cups, come on. The bottle's not custom either. They did stick a little Chandrilla Starline logo sticker on there though. Little things I think that could have probably been accomplished, but oh well. There's some storage room under there too, which you might need. But of course, this is a Tom Corliss room tour, so guess where we're going first? The bathroom, where no man has boldly gone before. Sorry, wrong series, wrong space series. Here we go. Okay. So again, great mirror with the little Star Wars light accents down the side there. Of course, you have two light switches. One controls the vanity out here, and then one is just the bathroom lights and the fan as well. So there is, though, branded towels, which is fantastic. Chandrilla Starline on the towel. Big fan, big fan. We've got, look at this. It's hard to bend in this costume. Look at this box. The thermal blower. Oh, I love this. This is my favorite thing so far. The thermal blower. Yep, it's a hairdryer in a box. Thermal blower. Don't look that up, kids. Okay, slide that back in if I can do that. There we go. What else is down there? More towels. Okay, so we do have H2O has created themed amenities, which we love. This is great. The body lotion and hand soap. Yeah, there's body lotion out here. Okay, it's the first time I've seen it mounted to the wall outside the shower. Yeah, well, I guess it's the body lotion. It's not the body wash. I've never seen them mount the body lotion. That's interesting. Obviously, hand soap, sure, you could do that. Usually the lotion is a thing. You do have this cool tin. Look at this. This is great. This is great. I forget what's in here. Sorry to my guests who asked me to film their room. I'm going to look what's in here. Face cloths. Look at these. These are great. These are for sale, by the way. You can buy these. They're also on Shop Disney if you have a reservation. And the foaming bubble mask. This is great. This is super thoughtful. And it's most definitely an alien species on the package as the example. A+. A+. Love it. I definitely need to buy all the H2O products. That is amazing. Okay. So then we have the shower, which is through this small entry here. It goes really far back though, so don't be deceived by, there's a lot of small entries that may kind of deceive you here, but there's actually a good amount of space. It is narrow, I will say this. It's pretty narrow. It's very long, but very narrow. There's not a lot of light down at this end either. So there is a big shower head up there. There is a one you can remove. for those hard to reach places. And then, yeah. So, shower door is kind of fun. I like this little accent at the top. Don't worry, you can't see through it. I know a lot of people are going to be sharing costs with friends to come on the Starcruiser, so that might be important to people. Cold and hot, you can turn on which shower head you want to use. And then we've got the mounted amenities in the newly themed Chandrilla Starline containers. These are cool. Body wash, shampoo, conditioner, all the usual suspects here on the Halcyon. And then the toilet. As you would expect, there is a toilet, a refresher, if you will. More towels in here. They really love to put towels in the toilet room, which is separated by a door with a lock from the shower. They really love to do that now. I don't know why it's become a thing. We gotta look at this door, though. I mean, that's a cool door. I may have just locked myself out of the toilet. I'm not entirely sure. Let's find out. Yep, sure did. Nope, there we go. Cool. That's just really hard to do. There is no toilet art. There is a mirror here, I guess, for space. There's a lot of mirrors. I guess, you know, people are going to be LARPing around this hotel. You want to see you look good from all sides, unlike me. It is nice to have the paint accents, though, so that, I mean, it's not a boring tile and the paint accents and the mirror and a themed towel. Like, it's good enough. Toilet room's good enough, and the sticker makes another appearance here as well. Okay, let's go out this way. We've got our storage area. Good amount of storage. Lots of shelves. We have a safe with I actually put a themed sticker on the safe. That's great. And we've got the cooling supply unit, which obviously is a fridge. It's a small fridge. It's a new unit, though. That's not when they're using at the other hotels. All right, on this side, we've got a place to hang things. We've got an extra pillow. Yep, that's what's going on this side. There you go. All right, bedroom. Here we are. They bring your bags right away, and you can't really put them out in the hallway, so I apologize. I know usually we like to keep the bags out of the room. It's not really a thing that's possible on the Halcyon, so we'll live with it. You get the idea. There's a beige corner behind that. Quick look all around the room. It's a little more spacious than the photos show. Like, there's a good amount of space to walk around. Very comfortable for 2 people. 3 to 4, it might get a little cramped in here. But I don't think you're going to spend a lot of time here either. So, yeah, it's really just a place to sleep or to look at D309, your television. So yeah, this unit here does have the access to D309 and all that good stuff. There's your phone. This is the phone. I know it's kind of hidden. The temperature control is in here as well. And this is just fun. This is just theme, which we love. Oh, that controls lights too. Cool. It's not labeled. So I like that exploration aspect. There are some buttons just not labeled. And the fan. Feels like Star Wars. The bed frame with the light is cool. It's neat. Let's take a look at these bunk beds. There you go. So I've seen over 6 foot tall people lay in this, and they do fit. I think what throws us off here is these rounded edges that the bed goes into, right? I think that's throwing people off. The branded bedding, a really nice touch. Really nice touch. There is a light. I think we can get. I'm going to take this ladder up here. Here we go. With one arm. What can go wrong? I don't think I can reach that switch without getting in. I'm not going to. For my own safety. I'm going to go back down. If I had another hand, I'd do it, but I don't. So yeah, there are your bunk beds. This one's got this nice safety rail so you don't fall off. These are reading lights. These are interesting. You just push the little end there, and they pop out, and they turn, and they go back in. Little end table with some outlets, USB there as well. On the other side, We've got a themed and wrapped remote. Another reading light, obviously. More of the same. Trash and recycling. So here, a little dining area, if you will, or just a table if you need a table, pulls out of the wall. And then we have 2 rolling ottoman seats as well. Above that is your viewport, which looks out into space. I've noticed if you get to the sides, it's real glary. Like some of the objects start to like do this light speed effect almost. You're seeing it right there. I'm not crazy about it. But it is cool. And this will change throughout the voyage depending on where the ship is and what's happening out on the bridge, what's happening elsewhere on the ship will affect what's going on outside this viewport. There are things you could do. You can open the viewport, which it's already open. We can oh, look at that. It is a shade. It's an actual shade that came down and the lights went off. It did this whole beeping thing. Will that red light stay on? No, there it goes. It's telling you the shade is done coming down. All right, let's open the shade. I'm a fan of the beeping and the lights. I don't know, it's fun. Makes it feel like a big moment when you open it. I'm gonna leave this open all night. I ain't closing this. I'm staring at this thing all night, right? Other ships out there. I'm sure we'll notice some fun stuff as the cruise continues onward. If you watched our other video with the emergency protocol stuff, the pre-show kind of tells you all about this weird emergency handle thing. This is your TV. So there you go. Talked about the comm link. We talked about everything. And here's the bed. Let's look at the bed one more time real quick. Chandrila Starline. Bed runner, you probably don't remember. If you're a Disney hotel guest, you don't even remember what bed runners look like because they've been gone for so long. An actual, look at this, themed pillows. Branded themed pillows. It's great. This plush headboard. It's very cool. It's very cool. There you go. That is a standard cabin on the Halcyon. There are your lights above. I know we didn't look at those. But there, yeah. And here's a look back at the hallway. Standard cabin aboard the Halcyon.